Chinese culture, lions symbolize wisdom, power, and superiority. As a Chinese tradition, the lion dance is believed to bring good luck, happiness, and abundance and drive away evil spirits. According to historians, its origins date back thousands of years in China. It is performed by lion dancers with drum musicians during Chinese New Year, in cultural festivals, and on significant occasions. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us for a happy Chinese New Year lunch buffet at Yumdumdim at 117 Biluna Extension, Sikatuna Village, Quezon City. Yumdumdim has become our family's favorite destination for dim sum and roastings. On our second visit, Yumdumdim's dining area is adorned with bright red lanterns in various shapes and sizes, representing wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. It is a warm welcome to the Chinese New Year celebration, wishing Gong XI Fa Cai, a wish of prosperity and wealth to everyone. In keeping with the spirit of Chinese New Year, most Chinese and Filipino Chinese wear red-colored shirts to attract good fortune and start the year on a positive note. They also rejoice and feast at Yumdumdim with family and friends for a delightful eat-all-you-can Chinese buffet and dim sum to start the year right. Yumdumdim offers two festive promos to feast on. For 588 pesos only, diners can enjoy the premium set meal with unlimited Chinese dim sum, dumplings, noodle bar, and buffet. Or the option to upgrade to the Emperor set meal for only 888 pesos with exclusive made-to-order xiaolongbao and Hainanese chicken, along with the perfectly seasoned roastings and the crowd's favorite roast duck, garlic roast chicken, pork sarsu, and succulent lechon macao with tender meats inside and crispy skin on the outside. Hot mains at the buffet include some of the most popular Chinese dishes such as yang chow fried rice, chow mein, braised spare ribs, stir-fried mixed vegetables, fried fish fillet, pork spring roll, shrimp spring roll, Chinese kikiam, fried shark fin dumplings, and pinsek dumplings. These dishes are hearty, savory, and satisfying enough to make you feel full. Diners select from the dim sum carts wheeled by their table, such as chicken feet, hakaw, shark fin dumplings, bean curd rolls, and spare ribs with black beans. Made-to-order dim sums include kuchay dumplings, pork wontons, YDD scallop dumplings, and YDD seafood dumplings. We conclude our meals with the popular Chinese sticky sweet cake called tikoy. It is regarded as one of China's oldest delicacies and a traditional treat during Chinese New Year celebrations. The round shape of tikoy represents family unity, while its stickiness symbolizes a strong family bond and other relationships. Given as a gift, it is believed good fortune, harmony, and blessing will stick to a recipient. We also indulge with the classic crispy fried sesame balls, the creamy mango sago, the lightly sweet almond fruit salad, the rich and smooth creme brulee, and the must-have lava buns, a relatively new dim sum creation of soft fluffy steam buns filled with delicious salted egg yolk custard. We can't seem to have enough of these indulgent treats, so surely we ask for seconds. Tea, of course, is a traditional accompaniment to the Chinese cuisine. The complimentary hot brewed tea is a welcome pause between rich, flavorful, and spicy dishes, a refreshing drink after a meal of many flavors. The Chinese New Year celebrations last 15 days and reinforce cultural values such as family harmony and social relationships. They are a time for family and friends to gather and the ritual exchange of money and food. Seek fun la! Come, it's time to eat at Yumdumdim. Satisfy your cravings with an endless feast of authentic Chinese dim sums, roastings, and a buffet in one. Celebrate the Chinese New Year and treat your family, close friends, and loved ones to reasonably priced premium and emperor set meals without breaking your wallet. The restaurant is open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. and straight operations give diners 2 hours of dining time. Do reserve your seats early to skip the long line, for the restaurant is always full. We'll see you on our next food treat. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.